In today's video, I'll show you how to install 100% save file in Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remastered. Check my video description for this save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open this player 2. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open the player 2. And this is your game progress. Before dropping this 100% save, backup your game progress. Create a new folder called Backup. Drag and drop your game progress inside this backup and drag and drop the 100% save file inside this folder. And now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, go to combine, go to mission select and select the mission you like to play. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.